We're here for another unboxing of one Colt M4. So this is a Colt M4 licensed by Cybergun and customized by AMG. So let's get into it. So in the box, you'll get certificate. Okay, this actually tells that this was used for Colt AR-15 parallel training equipment. So they use this states pag training ng mga armed or US Special Forces. So we have one mag with the gun itself. As you can see, complete markings, property of the US government, M4A1 carrier, carbine, caliber 5.56 with serial number, and also in the railings it's patented. Okay, so let's test this bad boy. Okay, to open and put the battery in, you have to press the notch beneath. So dalawang notch siya. Okay, press, then pull. Okay, where's our battery? Then let's put in the battery. So naka-DINS plug siya. Yeah. Snap. Okay. Then to close it, same thing, but we're not gonna close it anymore. So let's load out some BBs. Not that much, because it's gonna make a lot of noise. It's already Christmas. Okay, that's enough. Load up. Safe. First we go to semi-auto. Bring up the sights. Fire on. Oops, come on. You have to first feed. What? First feed the magazine, the BB. Full auto. Empty.